Hey, this is Tom with Nextiva, and I'm gonna show you how to download and log in to the Nextiva app for Windows. Let's start in your browser by going to nextiva.com/app. Right here at the top of the page, you can see an option to download the app. Then you select the option for Windows, aka the best operating system, and you can choose where to download the app to. This should also let you start the installation wizard. Navigate through the pages and select the options that will work best for your workday. And voila, the app will begin to install. Once it completes, you'll have the option to check Launch Nextiva app when finishing, which is the fastest way to get started. Be sure to read the license agreement fully, as I'm sure you do for every app that you download, and then select I agree. All right, you're all good to start using the app. Happy Nextivacating. Using Nextiva. Happy communicating. Happy communicating with Nextiva. That works. Let's go with that.